Today's video is all about some simple, sustainable swaps. Try saying that 3 times really fast, that you might want to apply to your own home. Today's swaps have to do with cleaning. So if that sounds interesting to you, stay with me. Hi everyone, I'm Crystal from A Crystal Clear Life, where we focus on planning, organizing, and living a more simplified life. And today I want to talk to you about that simplifying part. Now, I was going through and doing some of my routine cleaning. You know, I kind of follow the Fly Lady zones. When I was going through and doing some things in the bathroom, I realized that there are a lot of changes that I have made in the way that I clean my bathroom over the last 4 or 5 years. So today I thought I would share those with you, okay? Now, all of this started in 2020 when the pandemic hit. And what was going on at that time is my daughter came home from college and my husband started working from home, and there were a lot more people in the house all day, every day, and things got a lot dirtier a lot faster. And so I had to ramp up my cleaning routine, okay? And one of the people that I started watching on YouTube during that time was Robin from Faith and Flower, and I will link her YouTube channel in the description below if you would like to check her out. She has some really great cleaning ideas, and I learned a lot from her. And if you want to check her out, you know, go ahead. I think you might learn a lot too. But I want to share with you today some of the things that she taught me. So, on today's video, I'm going to take you into the bathroom, and we are going to talk a little bit about some ways that I have learned to simplify the cleaning of my bathroom. One of the first things that I learned from Robin was using these e-cloths, these microfiber cloths, to clean your kitchen and really any surface in your house just by getting them damp. They are terrific for that. I have certain colors that I use in the kitchen. I have pink that I use in all of the bathrooms. Alliterative me again. Pink equals potty. I don't know. No, I don't use them to clean the toilet, but I do use them to clean the sinks and the mirrors and the light fixtures and the bathtubs in the bathroom. So this happens to be one of the colors that I use in the kitchen. This is a brand new one, so you can see how lush they are when you first get them. What's great about these e-cloths is you simply get them damp, and then you wipe the surfaces that you want to clean, and you simply rinse them out. I think they work really, really well. They come with a little brochure that tells you all about the e-cloths, and I even went online and researched some of the information about them, killing bacteria and that kind of thing. Not killing the bacteria, but picking the bacteria up off from surfaces, okay? So using e-cloths helps me keep from inhaling chemicals, and it doesn't have that chemical smell in the house. It keeps you from putting on rubber gloves because it's just a damp cloth. And reaching for more paper towels. So it is sustainable, and that is the one thing that I liked about it very much, okay? So these came in like a 5-pack, which I love. I also found these at Target. This is the same brand. This is the e-cloth brand. And here they have one that is one of their polishing cloths. So let me open that and show you that. This is their window cleaning kit. And I tell you what, these polishing cloths, they work fantastic. Not only do they work great on, glass and windows. It's what I use to clean my windows and stuff with. But they also work great on mirrors. And I will even take one and use it dry to clean my iPad and my phone surfaces. It just picks up all the fingerprints, all the oil, all the grease, everything that might be from your hands that you put on your surfaces. This works great, okay? So again, a damp cloth, wash your mirrors down, and then take your polishing cloth and clean up behind yourself. Streak-free shine, beautiful every time. Love, love, love these products. okay? All right. Another thing that I learned from Robin is, if you do have things that you need to get the soap scum off of and that kind of thing, like the tub, especially if you have people in your family who love to take bubble baths, there is more soap scum in those tubs. And so what she talked about was using a cleaning mixture that looks like this. And what this is it is simply 2 ingredients. It is Dawn dish detergent for cutting that grease and white vinegar, okay? And so you simply mix equal parts of the Dawn and the white vinegar, and I put it in a spray bottle, and when you shake it up, it gets all foamy, and then you can just go in the bathroom. First thing that I do is spray down the tub and let that sit while I go about cleaning the rest of the bathroom. And then the tub is the last thing usually that I get to. And then I do the floors on my way out, okay? But once I have this sprayed into the bathtub, which works great, as many of you know, I have a bad back. I have 3 herniated discs in my back, and that bending over process and reaching out and scrubbing the other side of the tub and scrubbing up the wall that is 3 foot away, that really puts a lot of pressure on my back and it hurts. So I came up with another brilliant idea based on the idea of the microfiber cloth. I went to the Dollar Tree and they have, all these nice long handles for things, and they have these mop heads, okay? And they're just on a swivel. So this piece cost me $1.25 and the handle cost me $1.25. And they also sell their microfiber pads that fit right on here. Just like that, a little bit of Velcro, and they stick on, okay? Of course, you should take the tag off before you use them. But for demonstration purposes today, I'm going to leave this one on here. This is my brand new one that I just got. And then you can take this into the bathroom. And look how easy it is to use, to get around the sides of the tub, to get up the walls of the tub, to get around those curves of the tub. It works fantastic and it saves my back from hurting. So I love this idea. Now, when I am finished cleaning in the bathroom, cleaning the tub and cleaning the floor with this, all I do is take this off and it goes right into the laundry. All right, speaking of laundry, once this is dirty and once these microfiber cloths are dirty, what I do is take them upstairs to the washing machine and I wash all of my microfiber together, not with other towels, not with other clothing, just all of the microfiber pieces together, okay? And another sustainable product that I have been using in my washing machine are these biodegradable Earth Breeze laundry sheets, okay? First of all, there's no more big jugs of plastic, for me to throw away. There's no, like the little pod things that have the plastic coating on the outside. So there's no plastic getting into the environment from these. These are simply sheets. Let me pull some out here to show you. These are simply sheets of detergent. Okay, and this is the thickness of one, you can almost see through it. And it's very smooth on one side, and they're really kind of cool. It says if you have a big load of laundry that you could put a whole one of these in. And what I do to get it into the detergent hole in the washing machine is I simply fold it up like this and tuck it down into that little place where you would normally pour the detergent. And once the water hits it, it melts right down into the soap that you need for your laundry, okay? Now, if it is not a full load, if it's not a big load, maybe it's just my microfiber cloths, I will actually take it and tear it into 2 pieces, and now I've got 2 loads out of this. So if it's a small or light load, I just use 1/2, again, fold it and stick it in the laundry, and I'm good to go, okay? So these work fantastic. Well, that got me to thinking, if I'm using these in my laundry room, what else could I do in my laundry room that might be a little bit more sustainable? And I discovered these wool dryer balls. Now, you've probably seen these and other people have used these, absolutely. But what they are they're just big balls of wool, which is a natural, this actually is New Zealand wool. It's hypoallergenic and baby safe. It shortens the drying time. Clothes are more soft and fluffy, and it lasts more than 1,000 loads, okay? So what you can see here is these balls just go into the dryer, and as the dryer is tumbling around, they roll around, and they, it almost sounds like tennis balls in there, fluffing up pillows or something, but they help pull the moisture out of the clothes that are drying, and they have a natural fabric softener in them just by the lanolin that is in the wool, I believe. Okay? All right. So I bought a bag of 6. I currently have 3 in my dryer that I use. The other 2 are in there, and one of them has disappeared. I don't know where it went. Probably one of the cats took it away. I don't know. I'll find it eventually. But anyway, so the laundry room is in good shape because I've been using the dryer balls and the laundry detergent sheets, okay? Another thing that I've been using in my laundry room is just good old Arm & Hammer baking soda. When I clean my washer and my dryer every month or every couple of months, what I'll do is I will sprinkle a good amount of the baking soda into the tub of my washing machine, and I put a little bit of the vinegar into the rinse cycle of the washing machine, and I let all of that clean on just an empty with no clothes in there. Just do a run of the laundry, and when it is all finished, I go in with a dry towel and wipe out. I have a front load washer, so that ring that's around it gets wet, and the door, the shape of the door gets wet. So I just dry that off good, and I am good to go. So I have been loving all of these products, especially for cleaning, especially for keeping chemicals out of my house. So I no longer buy Windex. I no longer use a lot of paper towels to clean all of the windows that I have in my house. I no longer use, like I said, the big plastic things of detergent. I don't use dryer sheets anymore. There's just lots and lots of things that I don't need, and I feel like, I'm doing a good job at being sustainable and trying to help the earth that I love so much. All right? Well, if you've learned anything new today, or you've liked anything that you've seen here in this video, again, I will leave links below. They are not affiliate links. I do not get any money for them. I am just sharing what I have learned with you. So you can look for those links down in the description box. But if you did learn something new, or you've liked anything, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up for my channel. I would really appreciate that. Subscribe if you have not thought about subscribing. We do a lot of talk here about planning, organizing, and living a more simplified life. Today's feature was on simplifying that cleaning process. All right. Until next time, here's hoping that you can live a more organized and simplified life through better planning. Today, I'm using these sustainable swaps. Until next time, okay, bye.